Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to summarize entries from a field in Jotform Tables. This is incredibly useful when you need to visualize data from your form submissions, whether you're tracking survey responses, inventory counts, or any other information you've collected. Also, if you're interested in business tools that could improve your workflow, I've dropped a few links in the description down below. To get started, open your web browser and navigate to jotform.com. Once you're on the homepage, go ahead and log in using your credentials. Make sure you're entering the correct email and password associated with your Jotform account, as this will give you access to all your tables and forms. After logging in successfully, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the page. You'll see an option labeled My Workspace. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select My Tables. This section houses all the tables you've created or have access to, making it easy to manage your collected data in one centralized location. Now you'll see a list of your tables displayed on the screen. Browse through and look for the specific table that contains the field you want to summarize. Once you've identified it, click the View Table button next to it. This will open up the full table view showing all your columns and rows of data. Give it a moment to load completely, especially if you have a large data set. With your table now open, locate the column or field you want to summarize. This could be any field in your table, such as product categories, response types, or numerical values. Once you've found it, look for the menu icon at the top of that column. This icon typically appears as 3 dots or a small arrow. Click on it to reveal additional options for that specific column. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Summarize with a chart. This powerful feature automatically analyzes the data in that column and prepares a visual representation for you. A summary panel will appear on the right side of your screen, displaying a chart that visualizes your data. This gives you an instant overview of patterns, distributions, or totals within that field. If you want to change how your data is displayed, click the chart icon in the upper right corner of the panel. This allows you to switch between different chart types, such as pie charts, bar graphs, or other visualization options. Choose the format that best represents your data and makes it easiest to understand at a glance. Finally, if you need to save or share this visualization, click the download icon located next to the chart. This will let you save it as an image or PDF file, which you can then include in reports, presentations, or share with your team. And there you have it. You've successfully summarized your Jotform table entries with a visual chart that makes your data easier to analyze and share. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.